The first year when I was the coordinator in my first year, that time usually we give first, second, third prizes. We are usually sponsored by the student union there. So in my first year, it was like the first prize got 20,000, 20k, second prize 10k, and third prize 5k. In my second year, I had a junior whose father was a BIS alumnus and who was a CEO in a hotspot company. So that year we got sponsorship from him, and the first prize, which was like it was roughly 1 lakh. I'm not very exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So I know this is an ambitious thing, and I cannot guarantee it will happen. But if this is taken into consideration, it will be a major benefit for the Rangoli.
Okay, because I mean, I see what you're saying, but like the difference is over here, most of
Yeah, and it's not
students,
obviously
it's
just a
not
work of the treasurer. It has to be the entire board, or even if some member of the Rangoli is in contact with is in good contact with any of the alumnus, and if he can provide a good funding to the organization, then it will be a major plus for it.
No, I just getting that. Like, I mean, even if you want to like post it here, like, you have to look for a place where like you have capacity for like those many people. So, and that may not be because like you may look into hollow flags or something like that, but it may not be able to host that many people. So, I get what you're trying to say, but I think these are things.
The crowd is one issue that you need to say, but I'm just saying in a general way that or to answer like what did you go into that. If can I answer like what you said alumni. So what I have in mind is there are such events. The alumni is working for some organization, and if he's supposed a part of like in each and every company you have like different affairs and all going, and if he's a part of, if your alumni is part of some that thing. So if he can just give us like contact, he can give some like if you're organizing, if the lights and all be provided like what he's providing like. So that can cause a reduction in the funds. Not it's an indirect way of alumni helping us and providing, instead of providing the funds, they're getting us a discounted offers which is saving the funds. That's the same thing how alumni. That's one thing that we can take into account where alumni is working if he's really into some affairs. Because I have a friend who's an alumni of NJIT and he's working in organizing. He's the head of your team.
No, I just wanted to add, like, we had the event last time, so major problems with that. So that's why we could go there. Like, whenever they have events, they got like, there's no place in bed where so you have to bring money. So, like, we need to be bouncer, etc.
let's not get into that.
I like how it is when you guys can raise or make money in the organization, sponsorship and alumni money. But then, as we know that it is a lot of effort to do that, it is difficult to face challenges. But then the one option you can fall back on is to find ways of probably cost reduction or cost cutting to make sure you use your funding very effectively. So, have you guys thought of how you can talk?
Yeah, that's one more thing I had mentioned in my write-up. We can have one more event per semester. Maybe that will cost more also, but if we can convince the GAPSA that we are holding this many number of events and convince them that if they need more funds, then that can be solved. But yeah, that problem might remain, and that is something we need to look at.
So like we said, we can tell GAPSA that we are organizing one event. What I would like to look into, what I can say that if GAPSA is organizing a list of events, so as an Indian community, we can take in charge of one of the events. So and we can prove them that we can organize events by organizing one of the events and making it really good. That way we can move on and they get more confidence in the Indian community that we can do it. Siddharth, I'm contesting for the position of treasurer for the Rangoli board 2013 and 14. The first thing, as Aditya mentioned, all the clauses for a treasurer, what he'll be doing and all. I think so. Everyone will be mentioning in each and every speech that he'll be bringing new events. He'll be organizing, collaborating with GAPSA, Pen Design. That's what we're going to be the speech of everyone, most of them. What I'm going to do in treasurer, I would like to bring what I'll be doing justice for the position of treasurer and not the other stuff. The first thing, as we all know, treasurer plays an important role in each and every organization because he has the most important part, which is the funds. So funds, let him show the transparency in the funds also. There are people who gonna catch him only even if there are no funds. Even if there are funds, people will say the funds are less. And if there are no funds, people will say there are no funds at all. So in each and every case, pressure is going to be held in from all the sides. So first thing what I would bring to the board is first thing is bring some sponsorship. What sponsorship? I think I've not seen much of sponsorship. And as I was the president of my undergrad, as well as I was the marketing head, as well as the treasurer in my undergrad school also, so I'm pretty acquainted with how the system works, how to get sponsorship, how to fund, and so you asked the question like if you are the Drexel, how will you convince them
Yeah.
like support? So what I could answer that, I don't know if it's right or not. But one thing I would answer them is as Diwali was held in their place, in their hall, so they had to charge for the lights and all. And if instead of holding it there, we could have provided the hall and all the stuff. Like we will be having a distributor. Like if whenever we have any event in a hall, there'll be one person who's be providing the light system, everything. So that would have cut on the cost, and they would have agreed to provide more costs if we would have given them the place, the lights, the everything. So they were just in case of the food must have been taken care of.
Okay, let me get back to you on that.
Yeah.
Now, when you do this, like all the communities come together, like Drexel obviously has a much bigger student population than us. And
But I also think that they are only more undergrad population, not the grad population. They didn't change it.
During this
So the first thing, as I mentioned, my write-up also is the transparency, which we all say in our speech, but when it comes on paper, it's very difficult. So transparency thing is one thing that treasurer should do, and I think I would do justice to it. And another thing is to produce the financial statements, updating the statements as events go on. And treasurer job is not only to maintain the finance, but also there's only the marketing of it. But I think there should be a position for sponsorship also, because sponsorship works completely different from marketing. Marketing is more of like a publicity kind. The sponsorship is one thing that, as if I elected a treasurer, would look into it and bringing more funds to the organization, and the collaboration with the GAPSA and all. That's like the usual, which we all will be targeting the next year. So there's some peculiar points that I'll be mentioning it. So that's it. And I think I'm a good candidate. I'll do justice for the treasurer position. And if you feel I'm a good candidate, please vote for me. Thank you.
So Aditya is just going to be facing one for the pressure as well as a joint pressure.
Yeah.
Professional.
Hi guys, I'm Aditya Narayan and I'm contesting for the post of treasurer, and I'm also unofficially working as the campaign manager for Zero. So, as a treasurer, I would like to point out some of the points. Basically, I had already written in my write-up. Basically, I'll be concentrating on 3 points. Firstly, which is, as I was talking to Prabhu the other day, he was explaining to me about collaborating with other organizations and organizing some of the events. Like last year, Holi was done, I guess, with collaboration with the Penn Museum. And this year, obviously, Diwali, which was held in collaboration with the Drexel University, and which was obviously a huge success. So I would like, if elected, I would like to contribute to my board and organizing, maybe increasing one more event and collaborating with some other organizations, which would obviously result in more funds to the organization. So the second point which I would like to emphasize is trying to increase the number of events during one calendar year, which might also result in the increase of the funds. Thirdly, and I think this is a quite ambitious idea of me, is that alumni funding. I know this might have been discussed in the past by the past members and the past board, and I cannot guarantee that I will be getting this funding, but I guess I can try on this area if given an opportunity. So finally, with all these, I'd like to finally, one more point I'd like to point out, which was previously debated is during the freshers party and the graduating party, the students should not be charged. The freshers during the freshers party and the graduating students. Obviously, this cannot be eradicated completely, But if elected, we would like to concentrate on this area and try to try to implement on this. So yeah, that's it. I guess.
The new board, you can start with the video of the private party.
Okay, so anybody wants to
Yeah, I just have one question. Prabhu is going to host a party and he spent like $100 on it, but you want to get into that party in $50, so convince him.
Yeah, that's right.
Because like that's essentially going to be your function. Like you're always going to be like, there's going to be less money and people will want more money.
That's obviously the case. I was also telling me about obviously you will be pitching to the GAPSA like, and you will be getting 1/5 of the money which you pitch in. But
I mean,
all it takes is
like,
convincing the
even
GAPSA.
if you're going to like collaborate with Excel, like how are you going to negotiate with them? Like we don't want to spend too much. We still want to negotiate and get into the party. So like, how do you think you can do that?
I see. This one point is I've not got into much of the details on how that system
No, I
works.
just want like
Yeah.
a general.
Basically, I just need. I think we, by convincing them and talking to the GAPSA, if we can get more funds by properly convincing them, I guess it should work. But I'm not properly into the details.
Okay. We'll just ask the questions after all the ones of treasurers have pitched.
Okay,
So
yeah,
we'll
let's
ask
do
the
that.
questions.
Yeah.
Okay, so can we have Siddharth please?